Hello, my name is Dean Offord, and in this video we will cover the HE20 and UE20 pan tilt zoom cameras from Panasonic. The HE20 and UE20 are new additions to our popular PTZ lineup for entry-level camera applications. These models provide Panasonic PTZ quality that is even easier to integrate into entry-level markets. The difference between these two models is that the HE20 is for HD applications and the UE20 is for 4K applications, outputting up to 4K 30p. Introducing a brand new compact design, sensor, and workflows, both the HE20 and UE20 feature a 12x optical zoom and a 71-degree wide-angle lens, perfect for classrooms, conferences, and plug-and-play event capture. These models include the latest IP protocol certifications with IP, USB-C, HDMI, and 3G SDI outputs for an array of applications. Both models are Power over Ethernet Plus capable for single cable installations as well. With these entry-level PTZs, we can start shooting out of the box for any type of event capture or fixed installation, delivering great image quality with ease of setup. Out of the box, the HE20 and UE20 includes a power supply and a mounting plate to install straight away. Both models feature a brand new high-resolution 1/2.8 sensor, with the UE20 being the 4K model with the 4K output over HDMI and IP up to 30p. The lens has been designed with a new ultra-wide-angle field of view up to 71 degrees to fit into smaller rooms and shooting environments, ideal for classrooms or presentations where there is limited space. For zoom range, the HE20 and UE20 include a 12x optical zoom to capture presenters up close when delivering these presentations without compromising on quality. Both models support IP, USB-C, HDMI, and 3G SDI outputs as standard. Simultaneous outputs with the selected priority modes of the cameras also provide excellent workflow solutions when integrating into different project applications. RS422 and RS232 are also included for serial data connections with control panels as an example, as well as an activatable tally light. The cameras feature a new, clean interface with essential functions listed to make sure AV managers can access the functions they need simply and remotely. The USB-C connections can be simply plugged into conferencing or education applications directly. This includes Zoom or Teams, as well as lecture capture software complying with the latest IT standards. HE20 and UE20 are compatible with the software suite from Panasonic, including the free-to-download PTZ Control Center for multi-camera management and the virtual USB driver for PTZs to appear as a USB camera over a network for multiple applications, achieving true IP workflows without the need of physical HDMI or SDI cables. With the Panasonic PTZ ecosystem and these entry-level cameras, you can get started right away delivering great quality content for an array of applications. We also have completed product videos on the UE40, UE50 and UE80. Be sure to check them out for more information. Thank you for watching.